Hello viewers, my name is Shafi. In this video, I will show how to download and install Apache Studio in Windows 10. So what you do is go to your browser. In my case, I opened Firefox browser and I'm going to search for Apache Studio, and then you see the list of websites. So click on download for Windows link, and then this will open a Apache Studio website with the download for Windows, and there's options to directly install a Windows 64-bit installer, or you can download the zip file and then you can install from there. So these are the instructions for installation. Um, so in this case, I will just install it uh, from Windows 64-bit installer. So I click on this Windows 64-bit installer, and then it should start downloading. Okay, so I'll just download this to my desktop, and then once it's done, I will install it. So download is completed. Let me click on the download icon and then on my browser and go to the file. Okay, here is the Apache Directory Studio. So I'm going to click on that. Let's try to open up. So in my case, it is asking me to, the security thing, allow to install for Apache Studio. So I clicked yes on it. It's like a firewall thing. And then click on next. And then these are the license agreement. You just say agree to it, and then install. So it's a default location. It's going to install in program files. So I'll leave the default location as it is. Unless you want to change it, you just browse it and go for a different location. But in my case, I'm going to leave it as it is, the default location. I'll install. Click on install, and then it's installing now. So installation is completed. I'll click next and then finish. So once the installation is complete, to open the Apache Studio, Directory Studio, you need to go to the C drive. That's where I have saved it, right, while I was installing. And then in C drive, look for Apache program files. Go to the program files right here. Once I click the program files, under program files, you look for Apache Directory Studio. You click on that. And then here, as you can see, it's a Apache Directory Studio.exe file for Windows. I click on that. Okay, it's trying to open. Maybe I get an error. Yeah, so it's saying that incompatible JVM. So when you install first time, uh, it will give an error because it's looking for Java version 11 or above. In case your Java version is lower than version 11, you may encounter this problem. So to resolve this problem, you need to just change the version to 11. So to do that, let me click this OK, and I'm going to go to the INI folder right here. Below need the exe file. So I'm going to open this with the notepad, or I can open this with just the notepad, not the plus plus. So here, as you can see, uh, it has a VM, and so uncomment this if to change the path. Uh, as you can see, this hyphen VM is commented. You uncomment that, and here I need to have a Java 11 path. In my case, I have a Java 11 saved in a C drive. So let me show you that. So here under program files again, go back to the program files in C drive and look for Java. This is where my Java is installed. So I have various versions. So I'm going to click on the Java 11 version and go up to the bin. You make sure you go up to the bin and then copy this path, Control C, or I can do right click and copy. So I'll go to the VM here and I'm going to uncomment this, and then I'll change this path to the 11 version path. So it's in C drive. But if you are a Windows user, make sure that change this backslashes to forward slashes in file path. So I am changing it right now. Once you change this and save it, Control S to save it. Okay, I don't want to save it. I just want to save it here. So it's saved. I don't know why it's asking me to. Okay. So now let me make sure, let me close this, then save it. Apache Studio. For some reason, it's asking me to save it again. The file is already there. Okay, so it's saved now. So I'm not going to do save in a new location like this when I do Control save. So it must have saved it. Just to make sure, I'm going to reopen it. Let me copy this path again in case if I have to do it. So I'll just copy this. So I don't have to, change the forward slashes. So I click Don't Save. And let me go back to the programs files, Apache Directory Studio. I want to make sure the Apache Directory Studio INI file is updated. So I'm going to open this in a notepad right now. So I open in the notepad. So here I don't see this one is got updated. So let me uncomment the, again, I'm doing the same step over. So uncomment the -VM part at line 14 and line 15. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to paste the path for the JDK11 and Control S to save this file. And I saved it successfully. So now let me try to open this studio again. Apache Directory Studio, I clicked on it. It should open now. I don't see it's giving the error that it gave me earlier, right? So, okay, it's trying to open. Let's wait for it to open. There you go. It's open now, as you can see. And so this is how you solve the Java 8 version, change it to version 11. So some cases, if you install Apache Studio directory, you have a lower version than 11, it won't support. Then you get that message that we saw earlier, and this is how you resolve it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.